and gentlemen, that was Sentimental Ladies. Please welcome to the stage, Rare Show.
Welcome to the show. Thank you for coming.
Hi everybody. How are you doing tonight?
We are the Rare Bird Show. We're from Philadelphia. Of Michael Vick. That's true.
I don't really care about sports of any kind, but apparently that is a really bad thing. That guy...
Boy had dog fights. Yeah, he was convicted of dog fighting, and the Eagles have decided to embrace him.
This is an interesting question, though. Serve this time. And should we say that people should reform and like spend their time and do their penance?
Let's take a
That's
vote.
the question.
Let's take a
That's
vote.
my question.
Who thinks that Michael Vick has served his time and should be playing football again, and that's cool? Woo! And who thinks that, like, you know, he's a bad person who, you know, made dogs kill each other and...
There.
I have no opinion.
Yeah. He could fight the bear.
He could.
You can even have boxing gloves on if you want.
Yeah, I feel like a Michael Vick bear matchup is more fair than a Michael Vick dog matchup. But since it's an animal, it's still a form of justice.
Sure.
Does he get to wear his like football uniform, the helmet, and shoulder pads, maybe?
Well,
It's up to you. It's your plan.
It's a good plan.
Can we take a vote? I like this democracy system.
Okay, so we're going to have
So
Michael Vick
fight a bear.
fight a bear. Should he have protective clothing and helmets and pads?
Yes.
Let's not turn this into a butterfly ballot,
This isn't
okay?
one of those townhouse meetings.
A bear ballot. Who's
Yeah.
for
No shouting
helmets?
Obamacare.
Who's against him?
You guys are a vicious bunch of motherfuckers. And there's a whole patch of indifference over here.
Indifference.
I don't feel too strongly about indifference.
I'm holding a camera.
We are going to do an improv comedy show for you here at the Delphi. Yell out right now is any word or phrase at all.
Skittles.
Barefoot.
Skittles. Skittles.
All right, Rare Bird Show presents Skittles.
Sorry. I feel bad about it. I never wanted this to happen. And if I could go back in time, I would go back in time and stop the whole mess. Is that enough for you already?
I was just going to the bathroom. I was gone for 5 minutes.
It was one piece of candy. It was not even a bag of candy. I did not steal a handful of candy. I did not know you would be so upset.
You've seen my routine every day, where I have my sandwich, my apple, and then my candy. I have a place for my candy to finish up the whole meal.
A big plate of candy. Who would think you would notice one missing? How did you notice one missing?
Because I count them out every day.
You count out?
Yes, in the morning when I make my lunch, I count them out.
That is obsessive.
So? You still ate my one piece of candy that I was saving for
what?
last. It was the last one I was going to eat.
How did you know that specific one was going to be the last one?
Because it's the circular one.
They're all circular. More or less.
Okay, maybe I am overreacting, okay? Maybe I am.
Maybe you are. Can we get over it already?
Sure.
We missed the wedding.
What?
We've been fighting for hours. You think that if you were so obsessive about everything that you would notice that we had plans, and now the whole day is shot.
When you ate that piece of candy sandwich, just threw my whole day off.
If I could go back in time, I would shoot the me that ate that. I would go back in time and kill my grandfather. What? And that way I would never be born, and you could just be counting all of your Skittles and chopping the crusts off of chopping your crusts off of your sandwich at perpendicular angles, and you would be at the wedding right now, catching the bouquet and falling in love with someone else. Wait, you just stopped right there. No, I would never fall in love with someone else. Why? Because mathematically, I am the right person for you. You have a whole plan. You've been going through my journal.
Skittles. Skittles. Oh, that's a good tramp. Skittles.
What needs ye, mistress? What needs ye?
Skittles, I grow bored of being wealthy.
But the wealth spell I cast lasts for eternity, mistress.
Oh, Skittles, if I'd known if it were for eternity, Shank, maybe I would have decided on something else, mayhap.
What wishes ye? What wishes ye? Knowing that I cannot undo a spell, as I am young.
Skittles, you say, as you age, you become an even more magical tramp, a tramp that can undo spells?
Yes.
What happens to your rickets?
My rickets turns into ballet. And the spells I cast enchant all. I'm but 3,000 years old, mistress. My kind lives for eternities and eons. You cannot grapple with these thoughts.
Skittles, would you turn my gowns into rags?
Yes, mistress, yes, mistress.
Skittles, would you make this fabulous mansion into the inside of a whale?
One thing at a time, mistress, one thing at a time.
Skittles, I found you in that creek bed and I saved you from drowning. Do you know as a tramp with rickets, the only thing you can't do, well, there's two things you can't do. You can't undo spells yet, and you can't save your own self from death, so you owe me. Skittles, if I want many things at once, shan't I wish for many things at once, mayhaps perchance?
Perhaps ye should wish for another servant. I never thought I would speak to ye like this, mistress, but ye have broken me to the edge. I have upset thee, I have upset thee. Your hand shall never tremble for fear for all of eternity.
And look, you did my nails in a French tip.
It's trying to be fancy. Does it taste like rainbows?
Tastes like shit bows.
You have a mouth on you.
Yeah, it's like if you fed a unicorn fertilizer.
There's fertilizer in there.
Why are you putting fertilizer in a cookie, Reginald? It's like I was saying, because I'm a brilliant writer. You put a bunch of fertilizer in a unicorn, and you made that motherfucker jump in an arch, and it took a dump the whole way. That's what this would take. And that is what you have made when I asked for a macaroon.
First, let me say that's. Oh my goodness! Now they're everywhere, spread like snowflakes on a field.
That is shitty writing, Reginald.
You know I'm a beginner.
Why?
I take lessons from you, Alfred.
Never should have signed up to be a writing mentor.
Sometimes I catch you having a good time.
No. Writers don't have fun. They sit by fireplaces and they don't burn fires and they drink themselves to death. That's how art gets made.
That's what I'm doing wrong. I like crispy fires and I hate drinking. Crap. But I love to garden. Could that be a good substitute?
Are you Asian? Are you Asian?
Well, my father was adopted, so I could be. Wow, I never thought about it that way. I could be